अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह।
This week we are learning about the profession, about the career. We will continue this same topic. Today we will learn Al-Quwwatul Nizamiyatu. Al-Quwwatul Nizamiyatu. The meaning: regular forces. Regular forces. Same, this is a conversation in the class between the teacher and the students. The teacher starts the conversation. Sanatahaddasul yawma ya abna'i. We will talk about, oh my children. Today we will talk, oh my children, an amalil quwwatin nizamiyatin, about the regular forces. Today we will talk about the regular forces. An amalil quwwatin nizamiyati, about the regular forces. माज़ा तारिफून मिनल क़ुव्वतिन निज़ामियति. माज़ा तारिफून मिनल क़ुव्वतिन निज़ामियति. What you know about the regular forces? माज़ा तारिफून, what you know. तारिफून, you know. What you know minal quwwatin nizamiyati, about the regular forces. Ana a'riful quwwatil musallaha. Ana a'riful quwwatil musallah. I know about the armed forces. Quwwa til musalla, armed force. I know about the armed forces. Ana a'riful quwwa til musallaha. I know about the armed forces. Wahiyal jaishu ya ustaz. And it is army. And it is army ya ustaz, or my teacher. Wahiyal jaishu, and it is army. Ana a'riful quwwatil musallahati wahiyal jaishu ya ustaz. I know the armed forces and it is army, oh ustaz. Nusammi humul junud. Nusammi humul junud. Nusammi, we call. We call. Humul junud, call them. We call them We call them. Nusammihum. We call them. Junud. Soldiers. We call them soldiers. Nusammihumul junud. We call them soldiers. Al-junud, soldier. Wahum yudafi'una anil watani. Wahum yudafi'una, and they defend anil watani, the homeland. Wahum yudafi'una, and they defend anil watani, the homeland. Difa al-abtal. Difa al-abtal. Defense heroes. Difa al-abtal. Defense heroes. Defense heroes. So they defend the country, they defend the homeland. So they are the defense heroes. Wana arifu quwwati shurtati, and I know the police force. I know the police force. Police force. Quwwati shurtati, police force. And I know the police force. Ya ustaz, o teacher. Wahum yuhafizuna alal amani hifazan taman. Wa alal mutalaqatil ammati wal khassati. They fully maintain the security. Wahum yuhafizuna alal amani hifazan taman. They fully maintain the security. Hifazan, security. Hifazan, security. Taman, fully. Fully or complete. They fully maintain the security. Wa alal mutalaqatil amati wal khassati. About the public and private properties. Mutalaqati, properties. Mutalaqati, properties. Amati, public. Wal khassati, private. Khassa, private. Alama, the public. Al khas, private. They fully maintain the security on public and private properties. Wahum yuhafizuna, they defend alal amani, security. Hifazan taman, fully maintain. They fully maintain the security on public and private properties. Wa ana arifu quwwati difa'il madani. and I know about the Quwwat al-Difa il-Madani, civil defense. Civil defense. I know about the civil defense. وهم يساعدون الناس, and they help the people. يساعدون الناس, they help the people. هم يساعدون, and they help الناس, the people. في حالات الكوارث, in the disaster situations. In the disaster situations. وما nal kawarisi ya ustaz. And what is the meaning of disaster? Oh ustaz, what is the meaning of disaster? Hiya halatul haraib. Hiya halatul haraib is fire situation. Halatul haraib, fire situation. Wal amtaril kasirati, and a lot of rain. A lot of rain. Suku til manazil, and the falls of house. Falls of houses. Fall of houses or fall of the buildings. So you can translate the both. Or you can say collapse. Collapse of the building, collapse of the house, or fall of the house. Wa mislu zalika, and like that. Wa mislu zalika, and like that. Shukran lakum ya abnai. Thank you, O my children. Ala hadhihi al-ma'lumatil mufidati. Upon these beautiful beneficial information. Al-mufidati, beneficial. Al-ma'lumat, information. Ma'lumat, information. Shukran lakum ya abnai, O my children. Thank you